We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone not showing up on a computer. This includes PCs and laptops. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really annoying, so let's get in some different fixes. We've got multiple, so make sure you watch this full video. First of all, just disconnect your phone from your computer. Go and open up the settings app on the iPhone itself. At the top of settings, you need to scroll down, tap General. Scroll to the bottom of General and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and you can then go and tap on Reset. What we're going to try doing is resetting location and privacy settings. This will go and forget all of them, so do just consider that, but it can solve the problem. Tap there, enter in your passcode, and confirm a decision that they're going to be reset to its factory defaults. Now that you've done that, we want to try connecting it to our computer again. Keep your iPhone unlocked, and then go and plug it in. What we're looking for is the trust pop-up. As you can see, we've got it. Click trust, and you'll need to go and enter in your passcode. If we open up File Explorer and click this PC over to the left, you should then be able to go and see it there. If you still can't, then make sure you're using an official Apple cable. Some third-party cables aren't going to work for some reason due to the data transfer stuff, so make sure you're using an official one. If you're finding it's still not showing up, then you can try performing a forced restart on the iPhone. So just unplug it from your computer, press the increase volume button, then the decrease, and hold down the side power button. Keep that held down until you go and see the Apple icon. Your phone's going to go black first. When you see it, release it, and then your phone will start again, and try plugging it back in and seeing if that solves the problem. If it does, and you now want to go and back it up, then all you need to do is tap on the search at the bottom, open up the Microsoft Store, and you need to get an app called Apple Devices. It goes and looks like this, and you can go and click on it. Go and download it, and you can open it up, and it says connect an Apple device to get started. It should then go and load, as you can see, and we can do the backup. Hopefully this video solved your problem.